Have you ever wondered if the magic of a sunset could be captured right at your fingertips? Introducing BTArtbox Soft Gel Ombre Fake Nails, where artistry and everyday magic blend seamlessly. Crafted with gel polish for an elegant, natural look, these nails promise a perfect pressure-free fit that mirrors the curves of your natural nails. Imagine handling daily tasks with style, without a single nail out of place. Whether you wish to dazzle for weeks or just for an evening, everything you need is in one kit. Explore the ease and beauty of BTArtbox. See for yourself how it can change your expression of style.
Tired of spending hours and big bucks at the salon? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to flawless nails with our DIY French tip almond press-on nails. Nail polish. Get Salon-Perfect nails in minutes, right at home. These elegant French tips give you a chic, timeless look that lasts. No mess, no stress, just gorgeous nails that are gentle on your natural ones. Whether it's for work, a night out, or just because, elevate your style with nails that shine as bright as you do. Fast, fabulous, and oh so easy. DIY French tip almond press-on nails, your perfect manicure, anytime, anywhere. Why wait? Get your perfect manicure now.